Have tremors, stiffness, rigidity, slowness, and mental irritability affected your life? Has Parkinson's also stopped you from doing your regular activities? Well, Parkinson's is not just a common neurodegenerative disorder. It has types, and in today's video, we will talk about types of Parkinson's. So if you or your loved one has been diagnosed with Parkinson's, then it's very important for you to understand these different types of Parkinson's disease, which can make a huge difference in how you approach treatment, lifestyle changes, and long-term management. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. I have extensive clinical knowledge and experience in treating patients with Parkinson's disease, and I have a successful track record of patient outcome. See, Parkinson's disease is a chronic neurodegenerative disorder, meaning it develops due to damage to nerve cells affecting your movement, balance, and coordination. It occurs when dopamine, a hormone in the brain responsible for movement, mood, affection, and motivation, is secreted less. A low level of dopamine can inhibit the control and coordination of your nerve cells, leading to the involuntary movement of muscles. But again, Parkinson's has types, and today we will talk about them. See, Parkinson's is broadly categorized into two main types. The first type is idiopathic Parkinson's disease, and the second is atypical Parkinsonism. Now let's begin with the idiopathic Parkinson's disease. It is the most common type of Parkinson's, which makes up about 80 to 85% of all Parkinson's cases. It has an unknown cause. Its cause are unknown, but it is believed to be a mix of genetics and environmental triggers. Since it's a type of Parkinson's which many people have, so its symptoms are tremor at rest, muscle rigidity, slowed movement, and postural instability or balance problems. Well, idiopathic Parkinson's also have three main subtypes. The first is tremor-dominant Parkinsonism. It is characterized by shaking and tremors, usually starting in one hand or one side of the body. The second is akinetic rigid type. It impacts mobility very early. Patient may feel like their body is frozen or stuck. They may experience muscle stiffness or slow walking with a shuffling gait. Now, the third type is postural instability and gait difficulty. It is associated with high risk of disability. A patient may experience frequent falls, difficulty turning while walking, and sudden inability to move. Alright, so now let's move on to the second type. It is atypical Parkinsonism. It is also called Parkinson plus syndrome. It means it has idiopathic Parkinson's symptoms plus other additional problems like multiple system atrophy, progressive supranuclear palsy, corticobasal degeneration, and Lewy body dementia. See, atypical Parkinsonism is difficult to treat because it has other complications. So time, care, and the right treatment are very much required. Especially the natural and holistic treatment can better treat this problem. It will help reduce the progression of the disease. Thus, it also prevents other health complications from developing, which are common in neurodegenerative disorders like Parkinson's. Bharat Homeopathic medicines heal patients within, making them healthy both physically and psychologically. These are prescribed after assessing the constitution of the patient. Bharat Homeopathy has had an edge in treating Parkinson's patients for many years. We are a team of experienced doctors who are experts in treating neurological disorders with our personalized and customized homeopathic medicines. For any information related to treatment and diet, you can call on our number and talk to us. We would be happy to serve you with our years of acquired clinical experience and knowledge. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon below so that you will get notifications of our latest videos. Thank you so much. Namaste and have a great day.